Assalamu alaikum. I will repair one mobile front of you. This mobile have a problem of speaker cannot working. So now I will open this mobile to see what is the problem, what is the solution of this mobile, and I need to repair it first. First I need to open to show you this mobile speaker cannot working. So after that I will repair it. You can see this speaker cannot working. So now I need to open this mobile first and I will see what is the problem, why speaker cannot working, so I can solve the problem of this mobile.
अच्छा तुसी दे के गए सी किनु ਦਿੱਤੀ ਸੀ ਭਲਾ ਮੇਰੇ ਜ਼ਿਹਨ ਚ ਨਹੀਂ ਆ ਰਹੀ ਯਾਰ
For need to see like that video to repairing mobile, you need to subscribe my channel. So every time if I make new video, I will show you how to repair it. Now I will open the ringer speaker side and I need to see if there have a volume or no. You can see one side okay and other one side no. You can see it. I need to see what is the problem, why here volume not come. So I need to open it. Oh my god, you can see it. This mobile slide is broken. You see this mobile jack is broken. So now I need to change this jack. After automatic this solution is okay. So now I need to find the jack so I can change the jack. First I will remove it because that jack is broken. Now I remove the camera, so I do work easily. Camera is okay. I need to use the paste of mechanic so I can do good work. So I need to remove first it. I will show you every video front of you. You can see it.
ਜਿੱਥੇ ਸਪੇਸ ਹੀ ਹੈ
If you make neat and clean this jack first, then you remove it early. But if have a dust there, then he is so hard, he cannot remove it early. So you need to wash it first and then after you can remove easily. Now you see that is loose. Now I will remove it and then after I need to clean first. You use liquid thinner, what you want to use, that is better to cleaning. How much have a clean, your work make easily. No, I need to find the new jack. I will tell you here first. If you find new jack, that is not as strong, but if you find original jack, that is better for you. So I need to find any strip where have this jack, so I need to remove it and fix. So that is have a charging strip of any one mobile who strip make fix it. So you need to remove it and then I will fix it there front of you. You can see all video. You see, that is so nice to remove it because I wash it first. Before I tell you already, if you wash first, you can remove easily. But if there have a dirty, you cannot remove it early and cannot fix it early. So you need to wash it first. So I need to fix. So after that I can check. You see my space is clean, and then after now I need to fix. You can see all video. If you want to find again like that video, you need to subscribe the channel, so easily you can find new videos. Now you can see that is so nice to fix it. I need to see after cool because that is heat, so I need to cool it first and then after I will see. You need to see that is clear fixing. Now I will check. I need to wash it. Now I fix and then after I will check if value come or no. So before I fix, I need to fix the camera also. So I will check the value in meter if the value come or no. Before value not come in 1 point, so now the value come already. So I will fix the mobile and then after I see the value. All spare part fix. After that I will open. one more because in this jack have also charging points, but that is okay.
ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਮੁਰਗੀ ਦਾ ਨਿਕਲ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪਾਣੇ ਨੇ ਕਿੰਨੇ ਰੱਖਣੇ ਮੁਰਗੀ ਥੱਲੇ ਮੈਂ ਤਾਂ ਮੁਰਗੀ ਕੱਟਣਾ ਪਿਆ
Alhamdulillah, they are okay.